Alrighty, we are here at the world's largest gift shop in Vegas. Bonanza, Bonanza, Bonanza. It's fun. I've always wanted to visit this place. I've been here in Vegas for over 3 years now, and this is the time. This is the time. This one is next to Sahara. Alright, so let's go and explore. Da-da-da-da-da. Where am I gonna start? Look at John, he's so cute. I love his outfit. Hello everyone. We are here at what they call the world's largest, what do you call that? Alright, let's start exploring. Wow, ooh. This is my section here. Souvenirs everywhere, from socks to underwear, hats. That's fun. You can find anything here, from head to toe. Oh, I wanted my husband to get this. Yes, and no, there's another one. Somebody took it. Somewhere that it says a number 1. Husband, oh my god. If you are like, you know, marijuana lover, there's also for you here. For your friends who love marijuana. Wow, that's really cool. Oh, it's girly stuff. Like it. Souvenir, souvenir. Oh my god. They have this. Oh no, it's broken. Oh my god. I was gonna say this is like similar to Starbucks, but oh my god, there's so many good stuff. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's huge. This store is huge. Indeed, the largest gift shop. They've got some accessories, and they also have keychains. Look, all that. Souvenirs. Is that like... Hey, I need my meal. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, everything here you can definitely enjoy. This is really cute. It's so cute. It's a mirror. Wow, that's $5. Not cheap. Wow, this is a fantastic place. What did you find?
I find a lot of stuff that is very fitting for a place called Sin City. I see a lot of t-shirts about movies. I see a lot of debauchery. I feel like I shouldn't be here on a Sunday. I should be in church instead.
Oh baby, I want one for my kitchen. Look at that. Gosh. found some cute stuff. Look at that. Fluffy, fluffy. Cute. Aww. Oh my god. This is so perfect for my friend Angie. She would love these. Oh, decorations. Can use for your house. What are you even looking for?
I wanted to buy some decoration for my office now that I'm working here in Las Vegas at a casino. And I thought, you know what? I bet you they have a lot of cool collectibles I could put around the office. But this is the kind of stuff that's borderline garage sale. And I don't know that's becoming of someone of my stature. Like, do I really want to have dogs all around my office? People are just gonna think I'm crazy. Okay, I admit this one is pretty cool. This one right here, the detail, the size of it, looks like Bagheera from Jungle Book. Looks like Black Panther from Black Panther.
Wow, they have a lot of dream catcher from small to large. Wow, the frog. You like frog?
No, I never understood the fascination with frogs. Although this one is pretty cool.
Spider frog.
That one's pretty cool.
Well, you like Kermit.
Just because I love Kermit doesn't means I have a fetish for frogs. $9 for this. That is pretty expensive.
That's what I noticed. They are actually not cheap.